Coats and camouflage. We wear jerseys and thick coats in cold weather, and light clothes in the summer. For the same reason, bears, Arctic foxes, and Arctic hares, and musk oxen, which all live in a cold climate, grow thick woolly coats, and animals which live where it is hot have short, smooth coats. Some, like the elephant, hippo, and rhino, have little or no hair growing on their thick skins. Between these extremes are the animals which, more like ourselves, have thick coats for the winter and shed them in the spring. Ponies that live out are sleek in summer and shaggy in the winter. As well as wearing the appropriate coats for the climate, animals use colour and pattern to make them inconspicuous. Giraffes have dappled patterned coats, which look like leaf shadows among the trees. Polar bears, which live amid snow, have white coats. The giant panda seems to be very conspicuous with its astonishing markings, but it would be difficult to see clearly among the rocks and snow of its home in the Himalayan mountains. The Arctic hare, the Scottish hare, and the stoat grow white coats in winter. The bright stripes of the tiger are lost to the eye when it prowls through the dry jungle grass, and the spots of the leopard resemble the broken sunlight among the trees where it hunts. In the same way, a tabby cat blends in with the background as it hunts in a hedgerow.